Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. I'm headed out to a family event this morning and I need to bring a salad for a supper later tonight. So I thought this would be a good time. I'm out harvesting some of the things I need for that salad. A lot of the things I could have grown in my garden, I don't have some of those things left or ready at this point in the time. So some of it's going to be things purchased from the store, but I'm going to pick a few things from my garden to add to it. And I thought I'd bring you along, show it to you. It's a great salad. It's very well received every time I make it and take it anywhere. And it's an easy one to throw together and take. Some of the things I'm going to need are my peppers. So I have come over to my pepper pots here to pick a few peppers. I'm going to need some jalapenos. I'm going to grab a couple here. There's some beauties in here. I don't need a lot of this. The recipe is adaptable to your heat flavor. I'm not sure about how much heat people are going to want. I'm just going to take these 2 jalapenos, beauties, and take them with me. I'm doubling the recipe, so this would be pretty much for one batch, but I'm doubling it and I'm just going to kind of half the jalapenos in it because I don't know how much heat everyone's going to want in their salad. I don't want to shock anyone with the amount of spiciness in the salad. I also need half a green bell pepper to make one version of the salad. So I'm going to pick this one here and that'll be perfect for a double batch. I also need a red bell pepper. I don't have one of those ready and ripe, so I picked one up at the store. I also need a few cups of cherry tomatoes. Now obviously I don't have a few cups ready here, so I did grab some at the store. But I'm going to grab some of my own to add to the salad as well but I just enjoy having something that has a little bit more of the fresh produce right from my garden in it. So these are the Sun Golds. I picked a couple the other day that were ripe and they're waiting. And I'll have a few more. I don't think I have any other varieties ready yet. There's lots of tomatoes hanging on here, but we just haven't had a lot of hot weather. It's supposed to be in the 30s this weekend, so definitely should be getting ripe tomatoes very soon now, but only 3 today, and I think I had about that many the other day as well. So one more thing I can grab out of my garden, and that's some herbs. So let's go up on my deck because that's where they are. We'll get some of those, and then I will throw the salad together. I'll kind of give you a quick look at it, and I'll link the actual recipe down below for you in the single amount. So if you want to try it, you can give it a try at home as well. Highly recommend it. So the final thing I need is cilantro now. The cilantro in this pot has gone to seed on me. So I'm not sure how great it would be, but I do have this pot of cilantro that I potted up from my let pot the other day. So I'm going to just take some of this. And then I'll just scrounge around on here and see what I can find off of here. And that'll be my cilantro for the recipe. There's fresh stuff at the bottom. It still smells good. Yeah, it still tastes good. I think we're good to use it still. Okay, so that's what I'm doing in my garden today. I hope you enjoyed this kind of a little bit different video. I will put the full recipe down in the link down below for you so you can see how to make this salad yourself. I will show you the other ingredients going in so you can kind of have a look at the salad when it's done. And hopefully you enjoy it just as much as I do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.